What's up, kitchen gamblers? Did you know the word karahi comes from the wok-like pan it's cooked in? The dish originated in Pakistan and northern India, especially the Punjab region. If you've been craving a true restaurant-style chicken karahi, you're in the right place. But before that, let's go grab some ingredients. Today, I'll show you step by step how to make a smoky, flavorful chicken karahi that tastes just like it came straight from your favorite desi restaurant. Start by taking 1 kg of chicken. You can use bone in for extra flavor or boneless if you prefer. Heat half a cup of oil in the wok. Once the oil is nice and hot, add half a teaspoon of salt followed by the chicken pieces. Let the chicken fry on medium-high heat, stirring occasionally until it turns a beautiful golden brown color. This step builds the foundation of the flavor, so don't rush it. Give the chicken a few minutes to develop that perfect sear. For that authentic restaurant touch, always use a karahi or wok because that's where the signature smoky aroma comes from. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and stir it in well. Keep frying until the chicken takes on a deep rich color and the raw smell of the ginger and garlic completely disappears. Slice 3 to 4 fresh green chilies lengthwise and add them to the chicken. The chilies will infuse the oil with a spicy kick and that unmistakable karahi aroma. Fry the chicken with the chilies for about a minute. Now take 2 to 3 medium to large tomatoes, cut them in half and place them face down on top of the chicken. Cover and let it cook on a medium heat until the tomatoes become completely soft. Once the tomatoes have softened, carefully remove their skins using tongs. Now stir everything together. The tomatoes will naturally release water and break down into thick luscious gravy. No need to add extra water. Time to bring the spices to life. Add half a tablespoon each of chili flakes, black pepper, coriander powder and cumin powder. Sprinkle a little extra salt to taste and give it a good stir. Fry this mixture for at least 2 minutes on medium-high heat. This step helps the spices bloom, creating layers of deep smoky flavor in every bite. In a small bowl, take 2 tablespoons of yogurt and whisk it well until smooth. Add the yogurt into the karahi while stirring continuously to prevent curdling. Keep cooking and stirring until the oil begins to separate from the masala. This is the sign that your chicken karahi has reached restaurant level perfection. For that final zing of freshness, squeeze in half a lemon. Now garnish your karahi with freshly chopped coriander, a few green chili slices and lemon wedges. Not only does this add color, but it also makes the dish irresistibly aromatic. Serve your sizzling chicken karahi hot straight from the wok along with the naan bread or tandoori roti. And there you have it, a restaurant style chicken karahi that's smoky, spicy and absolutely mouth-watering. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more delicious meals. Let me know in the comments how your chicken karahi turned out and what dish you want me to make next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.